Again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes and ideas. Today I want to make you something really fantastic, fine dining, and also lovely with some ice cream strawberry and some peaches, sliced peaches, guys. It's gonna be amazing appetizer and I know you guys will love it. So leave your comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google plus me, and get your recipe. I love you all and stay tuned. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically I just want to get to the point that I have some biscuit which I really crushed yesterday. You can get like some biscuit and crush it and mix it in a little bit of melted butter. So that's why I have some biscuit right here which I did have, you don't have to use biscuit crush, you know what I mean, but I have some biscuit which I blend up inside of my blender, and I did the simple mix it up with a little bit of butter, melt it. It's like you're making cheese. When you're making cheesecake, you can use that kind of pastry side. So this is how it look. I blend up this yesterday and I mix it with some melted butter and I put it in my fridge, and I'm going to be using it today. Alright, so what I'm going to do, if you notice, I have an empty plate, and I have, this is like a cutter, like if you're cutting out cookie or you're cutting out bread roll or something, you can use this. Alright, so I'm going to be giving you a nice lovely dessert. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop some of this inside of it, just like this. Oh no, something wrong right here, so I can't, you know what I mean, I can't mess it up. You know what I mean, I can't afford to mess up my plate like that. So let's start back over. So this is gonna go in the middle of the plate, and I'm going to pop this inside of it like this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make it a little bit, not really say thick, you know what I mean. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply squeeze it down inside of it like this. The only reason why I like to make it and then I put it in my fridge and then I use it the next day, because it gets to set properly. So that's why I did it that kind of way. Alright, but I have, this is the biscuit I use. I'm just gonna show my fans and the biscuit what I use. I use this one. This is a digested. This is the milk chocolate biscuit I use. I blend up this one inside of my blender because it's got the chocolate in it, so it just brings off a lovely flavor. This one, I just blend up this one inside of my Ninja blender, and then I melt some butter and I mix it together. But I will be doing another version and that video with something else, so I will let the fans know about that one, which is going to be coming very soon. So basically what I'm going to do is, if you notice I'm just simply pushing down the pastry inside of it like that. I have a little bit more. I'm just going to be using up everything which I have left back. I'm not going to be like, you know, yeah, wasting it or anything. I'm just going to be just using everything. So basically when you sink it down like this, then it's going to be setting properly. So the best thing is to make the biscuit oven and put it in the fridge and use it the next day, so it can get to set proper. That's how I like to do it. Nice one. So after you do that, just clean around your plate, you know what I mean. Make sure your plate is clean, because say you're serving a VIP, or not even VIP, you're serving your husband or your wife coming from work a little bit early and you want to make your wife something really nice. This is where it come in really handy. So a teaspoon of butter and probably about 5 biscuits will work really well. Alright, so use a finger and just simple squeeze it down inside of it like that. Alright, so basically I have some slices of peaches which I'm going to be using, and what I'm going to do is simple. I'm gonna get the peaches. The reason why I'm gonna put the peaches down below, because the peach is going to be get to soak and it take the liquid off the pastry will take the liquid. So that's why I'm going to be using the slices of peaches. And I love peaches, so basically you can give it a go, you know what I mean, if you don't mind. So I'm just using that amount. I'll just put a little bit more in the middle. Also I have some strawberry which I'm going to be using, and you guys will see exactly how it's going to be look when I finish with it. So I'm going to be cutting some slices of strawberry, and I'm going to put some strawberry on top of it like this, and like this, and like this. Really nice. And like this. Basically you could put some ice cream on top of it. The only reason why I don't want to use the ice cream this time, as I know I mentioned ice cream earlier, because the ice cream will gonna melt unless your ice cream is really freeze at a certain temperature where you know it's not even soft or anything, then you can use it. But for now I'm just gonna be using these two items. But what I'm gonna do, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put some ice cream on top of it and see what's gonna happen. Alright guys, so let's give it a try with the ice cream and see exactly what's going to happen. So I'm gonna get my ice cream from the freezer. You can use your favorite ice cream you like. I know my favorite ice cream. I like vanilla. I like strawberry vanilla. I like different ones, all different kind of ice cream. It doesn't really matter to me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be using a spoon, and I'm going to get some ice cream, and I'm going to place it on top of it like this. Hopefully it doesn't like melt away too much, because you know the ice cream, you know what I mean, will be melting. So hopefully it doesn't melt too much. I know the ice cream stay, because this now you need to make this and then you put it back in your freezer, or you know, somewhere where you know it's gonna stay at a certain kind of temperature. It's not something we should just make and then you start to, you know what I mean, you have to put it back in your freezer and then make it set because of the ice cream. And I know the ice cream definitely will be melting away, but let's see what happens. You never know, you have to try. If it doesn't try, you don't know what's going to happen. Alright guys, so right there we got the ice cream. I just put on the ice cream. What we'll do is a simple pop a little bit of, just a little tiny bit of syrup on top of it, just like that. I'm using some chocolate syrup, and I'm gonna be using my knife and simple spread it on top of it like this. So you're gonna give it a nice lovely look. Alright, and also what you can do, yeah, this is not something which you can be, you know what I mean, mucking about with, and then you can just put some strawberry on top of it like this, just for color and flavor, and make it looking really nice. Are you guys really excited and ready to see exactly what's going to happen? So let's get the camera a little bit closer. So I put the camera a little bit closer, and also what you can do is simple. Put a little bit more of the syrup around it like this, you know. Take a little time and move it like this. Hopefully it doesn't, you know, as it, alright. So that's really perfect. That look really nice. Hopefully guys, you just love that one. As I say, that is just one of Chef Ricardo recipe, which I just, you know what I mean, trying to show my fans them exactly what you guys can make at home. Really nice. So hopefully guys, you just enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more recipe, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming out from Chef Ricardo from the team. Alright? As you can see, and as I said, you guys can make this one at home. Not really hard, not difficult, very easy and simple. I have a lot more recipe like this will be coming out for the fans them. So please subscribe the YouTube channel, guys. It is amazing. Just take a good look. Take a good, proper good look at this one, guys. It is amazing. Just look at that. Really, really, really nice. Look at the ice cream melting off. Oh my days. That looking lovely. Subscribe, leave a comment below, and thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.